What's going on, everybody? Welcome to JackSportsMix.com. Today is Thursday, November 4th, 2021. We're doing our 2021 Topps Chrome Baseball Sapphire Edition 3-box break. Pick your team number one. Who's got who? You got the team names on the top left there for you, alphabetically. We got Chris G with the Rays, Chris H, Cubs, Daniel H with the Braves, Reds, Rangers, Daniel Y with the D-backs, Dodgers, Mariners, Jays, Danny V with the Orioles, White Sox, Rockies, Marlins, Twins, Cardinals. The Dans got 13 spots. They have the break. That's what I was saying. Eric G got Tigers, Angels, Brewers, Ian H Astros, Judson C Indians, Mark J Royals, Michael K with the Giants, Michael L Phillies, Nelson O Padres, Peter H Mets Athletics, Ricky B Nationals, Sean F Pirates, Tom G Red Sox Yankees. Let's do it. Let's do it. That looks good. Yeah. All right. One autograph per box. Usually one autograph and one numbered parallel per. So. One quick before. Gotta remember how to say it. Where's the? We don't have the pop. There it is. Pop or dash. Pop. I'm not gonna be able to do it. Let's just pull the Superfractor instead for my sake. Good luck. Let's see how good the Sapphire looks this year. God, Sapphire is always so nice. Got orange in there already. Got Marcana for the A's. Yankees team card. I'm going to the back first. And Adam Duvall, World Series champ. Let's see what we got here for orange. We got, wow, Juan Soto, league leaders. Ricky, beautiful. 21/25 Soto. Beautiful. All right, let me, I need more 55 points. Let's see it. All right. Cool. That's those. Keep it going. Good start. Great start. Got Chris Paddock, Danny Santana, Jacob Stallings, nice Pavin Smith rookie. For the D-backs, Daniel Line, Mr. Nola, Ramon Laureano, is that James Karinchak, the Wild Thing, Jason Castro, Mr. Otani, nice one, Archie Bradley, gloves are hats for the Blue Jays, Enrique Hernandez, Kike Hernandez, Chris Bubick. All right, I think we got our auto next card, so I'm going to go to the back. Bubba Starling. Alec Mills. Autograph is Shirt and Apostle Rangers. Daniel H. We seem to pull him quite a bit. Apostle. Base Sapphire auto. Mr. Seager, Winker, Murphy, and Hayward. Mr. Betts, Monty Harrison rookie, Shed Long, and Brent Rooker. Rooker rookie. Kluber, Sean Manaea, Josh Fleming rookie, and Pablo Lopez Marlins. For box one, box two. Machado. Oh, we got a super. Let's go. Love it. That is indeed a super. Alright, first we got Machado. Bo Burrows. In the back, Dalton Jeffries. I was looking for that rookie logo. No rookie logo. We have Zach Greinke, Houston Astros, Ian. 101. Ian, what was the Astros? Like $13? Superfractor Greinke. What a hit. Bam. Yeah. He comments trash cans and then pulls a super. What a hit. Nice one. Angels. Joe Adell. Base rookie for the Angels. Mitch Keller. Moreland. Cubs card. All rookies are going to be sleeved and top loaded. Just heads up, guys. All of them. Mr. Hoskins. Didi. Reddick on the D-backs. I don't remember that. Garrett Cooper. Can't believe we got a super. I guess so, right? Mr. Jimenez, rookie for the Mets. Dylan Bundy. Mets team card. And Berrios. Mr. McNeil. Alright, we got our auto in here, so we're going to the back. We got Padres team card. Urquidy, Future Stars, and rookie Jesus Sanchez, Marlins, Danny V. Nice one. I'm a big fan of Jesus Sanchez. Chisholm was my number 1, but I like the way this guy came on at the end of the year. Nice auto here, Marlins. Mr. Sanchez. Alright, let's try to get some rooks here. Let's try to get some good rooks. Tariq Skubal, Trey Turner, Miguel Rojas, Alex Avila. I think he retired. I think this is his final year. Matt Olson, Severino, Andrew Haney, Stroman. Mr. Snell, Happ, Ronald Acuna, and Astros. Final box. I'm happy, man. Those are a lot of fun. It's not easy. It really is not easy, no matter what the product. What does it say for supers? 1 in 4,800 packs. Like it's never. It's not easy. Especially to pull one. Anybody can buy one. We got orange. Another orange coming up. Got Victor Reyes. Joey Wendell. And Didi Gregorius Phillies. Michael L. 12 of 25 on the Didi. Two orange and a super. Take that all day. Marte, Mejia, Ken Giles, Desclafani. Mr. Votto, Bowers, Texas Rangers team card, Andy Young, rookie D-backs. Kim, Kyle Lewis, rookie cup, that's a nice one. Brandon Drury and McMahon, Ryan McMahon. Nice Pache here for the Braves. Lux Future Stars. We got our autograph here. Jordan Hicks. And for the Indians, Andres Jimenez. Judson, nice. So his base is a Met and his auto's Indian. Nice Andres Jimenez. Rookie auto Cleveland. 3 packs left to try to get a nice couple rooks here. Rizzo. Duffy. Brewers. Cease. That didn't do it. There you go. Campusano. Yamaguchi. Guzman. Andrews. Final pack. Nice. Keibert Ruiz for the Dodgers. It's a nice rookie. Ozuna. That Gallon. Final card is Steve Cishek. Alright, quick hit recap. I'm actually ready for it already. Here we go. Hit recap. 3 box of Sapphire PYT number 1. We had orange parallels number to 25. Didi Gregorius 12 to 25. And Juan Soto 21 to 25. And of course, the Superfractor 101. Zach Greinke going out to the Astros. Autographs, all base autos. We had Andres Jimenez going out to the Cleveland Indians. Jesus Sanchez going out to the Marlins. And Sherton Apostle going out to the Texas Rangers. That's going to do it for the break, guys. Again, I appreciate it. All card chip, no hitless credit just because of the scarcity of the hits. Archives, 2 full cases up on the website. Breaking those Monday and Tuesday. See you guys then. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.